Breaking. Guys, pay attention to this. BlackRock just showed us that something big is coming for crypto. So if you hold any crypto, if you hold XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, Pepe, any of these top assets in the top 100, if you hold any of these, this includes Ondo Finance, hbar, algorand, I need you guys to listen up and give me a few minutes of your time because I have reason to believe that the smart money, the big institutions, BlackRock, Fidelity, etc., they are quietly positioning themselves. Now, it starts with what BlackRock did today. They just bought over 3,000 Bitcoin and over 30,000 Ethereum in one single day. That's over $300 million in crypto scooped up on June 10th. I'm actually recording this video the next day. But this isn't just a headline. It's, again, a warning to every retail investor on the sidelines right now. And today we're diving into why this is massive, what it means for the crypto market, and why this could be the biggest opportunity for retail investors within the next decade. Now, before we get into all of this, I'm going to tell you this. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know exactly when it's going to happen. But a famous investor, Warren Buffett, once said, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And I know one thing. Right now is a good time to be in the market. A lot of stars are aligning. A lot of people saying quarter number 4 of this year, the back half of this year. And why are they saying that? This is when we think we'll have rate cuts, when we think liquidity will come back into the markets, which will bring back in retail investors in droves, new investors. So if you're watching this video, you're already early. Already early. And most of you are probably in the market. But what we've been seeing out of Ethereum, this slow and steady inflow, okay, of capital, it's not all happening at once. And I think it's by design. Because I think the smart money is slowly getting into position. On June 10th, again, BlackRock spot ETFs, over 3,000 Bitcoin, 30,000 ETH. These aren't leverage plays. They're big purchases backing their spot ETFs. And a lot of these buys are over the counter, but they're buying up the supply. Why? They want to get it before you can get your hands on it. It's another reason why how they're keeping retail out, because these buys on the chart aren't hitting and creating green candles. They don't want them to. And guys, let's be clear here. BlackRock, Fidelity, they're not chasing hype. They're setting the stage for the next financial paradigm. When BlackRock moves, the entire traditional finance system pays attention. So we're seeing the demand happen from the institutional side: hedge funds, sovereign wealth funds, pension funds, strategic reserve talks, companies creating strategic reserves. Institutions don't play short-term games. They are strategically positioning themselves ahead of all of the potential regulatory clarity that's coming in crypto and the major macro shifts. So if you're thinking this is just another buy the dip moment, think again. This is a different market. It's completely different. Every BTC and ETH BlackRock buys removes it from the circulation, it squeezes supply, and when demand rises, prices will skyrocket. The retail investors will send all of BlackRock's purchases at these levels much, much higher. This is how the institutions continue to win all the time. Wall Street isn't just dipping their toes in, they're building infrastructure, guys. And this is going to legitimize crypto in the eyes of the entire world. So all of us as peons, as regular folks trying to make it, trying to get ahead in life, we've got to get in before the majority come in. We're trying to be part of these early adopters. At least this is my way of looking at it, right? And I'm sharing this message with you, but it's your choice. It's your opinion. I mean, but to me, this is a bet on the internet in the early days. And it could be even bigger. And it's already been fruitful for so many people. But this just shows you how early we still are. So I'll leave you guys with this. If BlackRock were to allocate just 1% of the assets they manage, which is $10 trillion, into Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin would be over 150,000. ETH would be over 10,000. And guess what? They've just started. June 10th wasn't a random move. It's a calculated accumulation. They're not buying the top. They're buying before the breakout. These are the institutions we're talking about. They're smarter than us. But we can follow the breadcrumbs, follow the money, and make money alongside them. This is what I am trying to do right now. Let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comment section. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below for more.